Hello everybody, Glenn here from digitalphotographycourses.co.uk, and we are today in Luminar 4, and we're going to do a quick and easy sky replacement on this sort of little landscape picture here with a little cow. So if we take a look at the picture first of all, you need to analyse what the light's doing. So you can see that they're quite soft shadows, so this is obviously not a really bright day. In fact, you can see a little bit of cloud here, not got a lot of sky, but what there is, you can see it's quite overcast, quite soft lighting. So there's no point just going to choose a sky which is super blue. So we're going to pop over to the sky replacement tool. So here we go, AI sky replacement, and included with Luminar are some pre-selected skies, but you can actually add your own skies as well. So here we go, we've got sky selections, and we've got sort of all these skies here included. So if we take our, there's no point looking at sort of bright blue sky or dramatic sunset or galaxies and starry nights. Obviously that's not going to work with this picture. So let's just quickly start off with blue sky 1. And there we go, that's a bit too much, I think. So let's try blue sky 2. That looks like it was taken on the same day. And blue sky 3. Yeah, again, kind of not ideal. Blue sky 4. That's actually not too bad. That fits more in keeping. Blue sky 5. I quite like that one actually. I like these lines on this. I like these diagonals. They kind of fit in with the theme of diagonals all the way through this picture. So I think I like that one. Let's have a look at 6. There we go. Blue sky 6. Yeah, possible. Still got nice diagonals in that one, but I think I'm going to go with 5. Okay, so that's it. As simple as that, really. If we zoom in around here, you can see, just click on zoom, let Luminar catch us up a bit. There we go. And you can see here, look, all around these trees, in between these gaps, around the cow, and even around here. I mean, this really is quite astonishing. You know, it really is incredible how it does this. And that is pretty much it. We might just go and fine tune the picture. You'll notice that when Luminar puts a blue sky in there, it kind of recolors the picture to match that blue sky lighting. Likewise, if you would put a sunset in there, it would kind of make the picture more yellowy. So let's go and just demonstrate that. If I put a sunset in, yeah, that's not going to work, is it? So let's go back to let's try sunset 4. Sometimes it sort of recolors. You see now this is kind of a warmer sort of color. Let's go back to my blue sky 5. There you go, and it kind of reflects that sky through there. So back, I think we might just have a quick look at the Essentials tab and the light. Might just bring the shadows up a touch. There we go. There we are, just in that corner. Maybe just to highlight, so just give it a bit of a pop. Perhaps the exposure a smidge. A little bit of contrast. There you go. I'll bring those highlights down, having done that. There we go. And what about that white balance? Do I want to go to the blue? Just put a bit of blue into that grass. The grass looks a bit overly green to my liking. Maybe take a bit of magenta in there. There we go, it looks more natural coloured grass now. Okay, and I think finally what we might do is just add a little bit of a vignette. So that is under the Essentials tab as well. So we'll close the light one, come down to vignette, and we just need to move the amount. There we go, just bring that to the left. That's a little bit more. If we go too far, it's going to get silly. There we go, knock it back. And there we go. So there you go, guys. That was it. Incredibly quick, incredibly easy sky replacement using the AI sky replacement tool in Luminar 4. If you like what you see and you fancy giving Luminar 4 a try, then I'll include a link to the Luminar website below. It is an affiliate link, so if you buy through that link, I'll get a small commission. But the good news is I've also included a coupon code, and if you use that, you'll save yourself some money as well. So thank you for joining me. Hope to see you again soon. My name's Glenn from digitalphotographycourses.co.uk. Bye for now.